Okay, I was studying on this cybersecurity course and I wanted to copy this text, but I couldn't do that because it appears on an image. So I quickly found a way to copy it, all right? Instead of me typing the text one after the other into this document, I discovered a way. So let me walk you through on how you can do that. First is to click on this start button of your laptop, okay? Here is Windows 11, okay? Then click inside the search area and type snipping tool, okay? It comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 PC. So look at it here. It's an application. Click on it. Now, once this app opens, you may be placed in this camera icon or you may be placed in this video icon. Okay? So ensure to click on this camera icon. All right? Then click on this new button. And now it wants you to take a screenshot. You have an interface that looks like this. So position your mouse, your cursor to where you want to start capturing. Okay, here I want to start from here because it contains the text I want to use. Then press and hold on the left button of your mouse and then drag in one direction to cover the text you want to copy. All right. So once it is covered, release the pressure on the left button of your mouse. All right. And now this is captured and placed in the snipping tool automatically. Okay. Let me maximize it so that you can see everything. So here I'm in the snipping tool. Now the next step you need to take is to take your cursor to this area. You will see this part with text action. All right, all these are different tools that perform different functions, but our interest is to copy text. So click on this text actions command. All right, you can see it has highlighted all these texts here in its own way. So you need to highlight them in your own way. So it has detected the text that appears on this image. So take your cursor to this place, to the first letter and made up the text you want to copy. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse, okay, and then drag down to copy to select all the text. Once all the text is selected, you can use the shortcut Ctrl C to copy it. All right, so now I have pressed the Ctrl key and the C key of my computer keyboard, so this has been copied. Then get to the word processor where you want to paste this and paste it. It can be your document, it can be your notepad. So let me use notepad here. So I'll click here and type notepad. Okay, notepad. It comes pre-installed on every Windows PC as well. Okay, so click on it. As it opens, press Ctrl V for what you copied to be pasted. That means press the Control key of your PC followed by the V key. And everything is pasted here in easy steps. So this is how you can copy text from any image in any laptop that runs Windows 11 operating system. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Say something good if this helps you. Thank you and see you some other time.